Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of how to make an lemon rasam rice. It's a simple recipe and everybody can do in their homes with the little bit of ingredients. The main ingredients are lemon and rice. If you don't have time to make when you are having a duty or any events, you can immediately make the recipe in 5 minutes. Let's check the recipe how I am making. The ingredients are ghee for flavor, curry leaves, green chilies, lemon. One lemon is enough for 1 cup of rice. Lemon, oil for frying, cooked rice, sesame seeds, turmeric powder, salt as required, ginger garlic paste, peanuts, red chilies, chana dal and mustard seeds, South Indian tadka. This is the recipe for lemon rasam rice. When compared to the lemon rasam rice is a totally different process to make, and it's a very different process to make. It's a very easy method. I am preparing in a lemon rasam rice, and don't compare with this and lemon rice. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First, take the vessel and pour oil. Next, add South Indian tadka. Fry it immensely nicely. Then add sesame seeds. Next, add the peanuts. Roast it nicely. Next, add curry leaves. Then green chilies. Cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. Next, add ginger garlic paste. If you want to make a little bit of spicy, you can add green chili paste also. Cook the ginger garlic paste until raw smell goes. If I am in a very lazy mode, I will cook like this in 5 minutes, and it is very healthy too. Like lemon and turmeric powder and jeera. It's very helpful for the stomach and digestive system. You can have lots of gastric problems also with this. It's totally rasam. It's not in lemon rice. Lemon rasam rice I'm making. Check the lemon seeds when you are adding the juice. I am adding 1 full lemon. Then add little bit of water. It's an very liquid. Water is boiled and lemon juice too. Then add turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon. And little bit of salt. As required. Let's cook it on a low flame until turmeric powder smells, get a nice flavor. Cooked rice, the water is boiled. Let's check. Add the rice. For 1 cup, 1 lemon is enough. Cook it for 2 minutes. It will get a nice flavor to the rice. At last, add the ghee for flavor. It's a very nice recipe and so taste. For 1 cup of cooked rice, add 1 whole lemon. And thanks for watching.